Divine Appointment Ministry International present another Mega Grace International Convention 2015. Theme: Sound of Abundance and Healing. Are you sick in your body? Are you facing difficult challenges in your business, marriage, or career? I hear the sound of abundance. When God arises, every situation bows, chains are broken, limitation ends. Come and experience the power of God in this annual convention with the Jesus Soldier, Reverend Ben and Pastor Mrs. Ima Eragbai. Guest minister, Reverend Int'l, Reverend Joshua Talena, Pastor Bolaji Ido, Bishop Jide Ayangbeson, Bishop Tayo Olutayo, Pastor Mrs. Ima Eragbai.
The Israelites, when they left Egypt, the greatest problem they had was after they have thanked God. The Bible said they got to a place they needed water and there was no water. They took a journey again, expecting to meet water. What they met was a rock. God himself turned the rock to a reservoir. There is a rock that has your water. This week it shall vomit your water.
Date: Monday 5th to Sunday 11th October 2015. Morning section Tuesday 6th to Friday night. Time 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Evening section Monday 5th to Thursday 8th. Time 5:30 p.m. Friday night Restoration night. Time 9 p.m. Sunday 11th. 5 services of grace. Venue: Divine Appointment Ministry International, 17 Oyewole Street, off Shillong Street, off Ikorodu Road, Pangrove Bus Stop, Ilupeju, Lagos. Come and be healed. Come and be restored. Maritally, spiritually, financially. You will surely testify.